Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Jessica Johnson and I'm back. So this is the hairstyle I did during our vacation when I was in the United States. Some of you follow us on our Instagram account and you saw it in our story. I got new hair ties over there, so I had to try them because these are soft and they do not hurt my hair. So I started with a Dutch braid on the crown of my head. So taking 3 strands and braiding the outer strand here from the left now under the middle strand, incorporating hair, and then the right side incorporating hair, doing this until I have the main hair from the top of my head. I did not prepare any part line, I just wanted it to be easy and quick. And as I like a lot bubble braids, I'm so happy that I found these hair ties because really they are not pulling and pinching my hair and they are easy to use. Would be great for bubble braid if they would exist a bit more smaller, but I found them like this. So pulling the outer edges makes the braid look a bit wider. I have so many flyaways. I don't know if it's because it's summer, because it's humid, whatever happens. Probably I'm growing new hair after a big loss. Now I'm combining the Dutch braid with hair from the sides, and when I have the hair tie in, I'm pulling the outer edges of the bubble and then the top. Here again, bring in the hair tie after you took hair from both sides and incorporated it to your ponytail. Tie it with a hair elastic. Make sure the side hair sits tight, and then pull the outer edges from the bubble and the top from the bubble like I've shown before. More of the hair backs. I love this stick because it's really easy and fits into my handbag. And yeah, that's the final result. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe so that you will see a new video, and see you back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.